Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share with you this simple creation. I put it together thinking of how the pieces would look together, because if I like it enough I will place all of these pieces inside of one of my doll houses to create a beautiful living room. So what I did here was I took a framed wooden mirror that I have and I made it a table by using the base. The base is an upside down candle holder, which I've used as a table before. So who would know that this is not a table? And the reason why I did this was because those chairs did not come with a table. I bought them at the Guild Show, the miniature event that I went to in September. And they needed some type of table to match. So I think that came out pretty nice. I added some decor pieces on top. Then I have a lamp here. This is a drawer knob. The base is a diabetic sensor. And I think it does look like a lamp, right? A lampshade. Now this little table is from my miniature collection, as well as the furniture. I've had this furniture for a very long time. The flooring is a large cake board, a large fancy cake board. Now notice that it's silver and it matches the chairs. So I purposely did that. So I think the chairs stand out because of that cake board. Then here I have a little matchbox that I bought at one of the flea markets. I love this piece here, part of my miniature collection. Then there's a radio there, an antique radio. That is from a Dollhouse store. I bought it brand new. I went to Maine and I went to a Dollhouse store up there. That's where I bought it. And then I have this little cat here. He's not so little, but... And then, what else? I have some branches here, which I poked into that little hardware piece. Dollar Tree plants on both sides. And then here, this is a trifold, which gives me 3 walls to play with. So I like this. I've had it for a while. That's it. I did like the way this came out, so you might see this again inside one of my doll houses. So it'll look way different, because inside the dollhouse there will be windows, you know what I'm saying? It'll be nicely decorated. So for now I just wanted to see how this would look together, all these pieces. Well, I think that this is it. I hope that you stay tuned for where I am going to be placing this. And thank you so much for watching.